Eric, what is the meaning of the term financial statement?
The third tool I need you to know in order for you to grow financially intelligent is a financial statement. And a financial statement, as you can see in the picture, it has two parts. It has an income statement and a balance sheet. An income statement has two rows, and you can see we have income and expense. And then a balance sheet has two columns. As you can see, we have assets and liabilities. So you need to have your personal financial statement if you are planning to become rich, or else being rich or making money or becoming a good money manager will just be a dream, that dream that never comes to reality. So you need to know the financial statement. There are things in your life that can be classified as liabilities and expenses. If you want to grow rich, you need to trim down or even eliminate liabilities and expenses from your life. You cannot eliminate all expenses per se unless if you die. So there are expenses that will remain, but you need to eliminate a majority of liabilities and increase your assets and your income. So what most people who are financially free do, they invest in income generating assets. If you look at their asset column, they have many assets in their asset column. But if you look at the financial statement of a poor person, they may have a source of income or no source of income, but they have expenses and many liabilities. The middle class people are the leading when it comes to liabilities. They have very many liabilities. The poor person may have a few liabilities because they don't have money to get that loan anyway, but the middle class person has some money, so that money they use to acquire loans, like car loans, like mortgages, and be able to increase their liability list. But if you look at what most rich people do, they have many assets under their asset column and few liabilities and expenses. So you need to know your financial statement in order for you to control your expenditures. Or if you cannot control your expenditures, at least I know you can control your income and asset column by ensuring that you are increasing the number of assets in your asset column in order for you to have a bigger income that can cater for your expenses and still leave a large or a big amount of money that you can invest, so that you can be able to shift from the left side of the cash flow quadrant to the right side and become rich, and for that matter financially intelligent. That's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video where I'll be tackling another amazing topic. If you've not subscribed to LifeVersity, pause right there and smash that subscribe button. It comes at no additional cost on your side. Also, I've put in the description a link to my free online masterclass. If you want to study anything when it comes to online business, be able to sign up to that class and take advantage of that freebie. So see you again in the next video, guys.